Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 1 of programming in HTML5, a history and introduction to the subject. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock and then click on the screenshot of HTML5 and also the Word document of the playlist itself. So in this tutorial, I will be speaking about the history and introduction to the subject itself, and then in the next tutorial we will be choosing the text editor. Tutorial after that, creating your first HTML web page, and then the basics of headings, paragraphs, links, images, buttons, and lists, and then the elements and attributes. And as time progresses, we will go into more depth so we can close out of this and now go into the history and introduction to HTML5. So what is HTML? For those who have never done programming in HTML, HTML is the standard markup language for making web pages. And so this is what you need to know. HTML itself stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which describes the structure of a web page, consists of a series of elements that tell the browser how to display the content on screen. And these elements are actually represented by tags. The tags label the pieces of content such as the headings, the paragraphs, the tables, and so on. However, the browsers do not display the HTML tags but use them to render the content of the page. In the next tutorials, we will be looking at a simple HTML document, look at the tags, what is a heading, a paragraph, a table, how do we insert all that onto the web page from the code. The doc type HTML declaration defines this document is HTML5. The HTML tag element is the root element of a HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the document, and the title element tag specifies a title for the document. The body tag element contains the visible page content. The H1 tag element defines a large heading, and the P tag element defines a paragraph. The purpose of a web browser is to read the HTML documents and then display all the content on screen. We will be looking at that in the next tutorials. We will also look at the HTML page structure. What is HTML? What goes in the head, the body? HTML itself started off in 1991. By the time we had got to 95, HTML2 was introduced. In 97, HTML 3.2. In 99, HTML 4.01. And then by 2000, we had moved on to XHTML. By 2014, which is 5 years ago, we then moved on to HTML5. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.